Dear students, in this video we will learn about the tenses. There are three main types of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. And each main three types has four subtypes: simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. In this video we will see about present tense. See the structure of present tense. For simple present tense, subject plus verb 1. If I am talking about the third person singular subject, the verb comes with yes or es suffix. See the affirmative sentences: I play cricket, he plays cricket. If I am talking about the negative sentence, we need the helping verb, and in simple present tense we will take do or does. And so our sentences will be: I do not play cricket, he does not play cricket. Present continuous tense or the present progressive tense. The structure is subject plus the form of to be, and these forms of to be are am, is and are plus verb 4. That is the fourth form of verb with ing. I am playing cricket, he is playing cricket, they are playing cricket. If I am talking the negative sentences, I am not playing, he is not playing, they are not playing. The third form, that is present perfect tense, and the structure is subject plus to have plus verb 3, and the forms of to have in present tense are have and has. So the affirmative sentences are: I have played, he has played, we have played. And for negative sentence, I have not played, he has not played. The fourth form, that is present perfect continuous tense, and the structure is subject plus to have plus been plus the fourth form, that is the ing form of verb. And the examples are: I have been playing, he has been playing. And for negative sentence, I have not been playing, he has not been playing. Now this is the chart showing the simple present tense and the persons. The first person singular subject is I, and the first person plural subject is we. And so our example of simple present tense will be: I play cricket, for plural we play cricket. Second person singular subject is you, and the second person plural subject is you. So our simple present tense sentences for second person: you play cricket, you play cricket. The third person singular subject is he or she or it, and the plural subject is they. So our example will be: he plays cricket, she plays cricket, it plays cricket. So here remember, the third person singular subject, the verb comes with s or the es suffix. Now we'll see this example. I will take the subject Rashi, and for present tense the sentences will be: राशि धीरे धीरे चलती है. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस: राशि वॉक्स स्लोली. राशि चल रही है. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस: राशि इज वॉकिंग स्लोली. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस: राशि हैज़ वॉक्ड स्लोली. And for present perfect continuous tense, for a lengthy process, the act has been done and now in progress also. So the example will be: Rashi has been walking slowly. If the subject is I, for simple present tense, I climb. Present continuous tense: I am climbing. Present perfect tense: I have climbed. Present perfect continuous tense: I have been climbing. These are some of the examples for you. If I'll take the verb write and the subject I, my four sentences will be: I write. Second, I am writing. Third, I have written. And the fourth, I have been writing. If the subject is Ram and the verb is read, so simple present tense: Ram reads. Present continuous tense: Ram is reading. Present perfect tense: Ram has read. And present perfect continuous tense: Ram has been reading. So here are some other example for you to practice. So keep watching part 2 for past tense. Have a nice time.